Hello and welcome. If you've ever dreamed of harvesting your own fresh vegetables right from your backyard or even a small balcony, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the world of home gardening, where every seed you plant is a step toward a more sustainable, delicious, and rewarding lifestyle. There's a special magic in growing your own food from seed. Watching tiny sprouts push through the soil and transform into vibrant, healthy plants is truly one of life's simple joys. Over the years I've discovered that gardening isn't about following strict rules. Instead, it's about experimenting, learning, and finding what works best for you, your space, and your lifestyle. I rely on three main techniques that keep my kitchen stocked with fresh produce all year long, no matter the season or weather. Each method has its own unique strengths. The first works in harmony with nature, building healthy soil and encouraging beneficial insects and microbes. The second gives you total control over your growing environment, making it easier to manage soil quality, water, and even pests. And the third method lets you garden just about anywhere, on patios, balconies, or even rooftops, so you can grow food no matter how much space you have. Today I'll walk you through how each method works, which crops thrive in each setup, and share some tips to help you get the most out of your garden. You'll see how you can mix and match these techniques to suit your needs, maximize your harvest, and create a garden that's uniquely yours. So grab your gloves, get ready to dig in, and let's start this gardening adventure together. Let's explore the no-dig bed, a gentle gardening method that lets nature do the work. Instead of digging, simply layer compost or organic matter on top of the soil. Worms and microbes break it down, creating a rich, fertile environment for your plants. Start by laying cardboard over grass or weeds, then add a thick layer of compost. This smothers weeds and builds healthy soil, all without disturbing the earth. Crops like squash, kale, and lettuce thrive in no-dig beds, producing vibrant growth and abundant harvests. Each year, just add more compost, no digging needed. Enjoy healthier soil, fewer weeds, and a peaceful, productive garden. Let's explore the world of raised beds, ideal for gardeners seeking control, accessibility, and an organized garden space. Raised beds are elevated garden plots framed by materials like wood, stone, or recycled plastic, offering both beauty and practicality. Build a frame with your chosen materials, customize the size and height, and fill it with high-quality soil mix. This gives you control over soil texture, drainage, and fertility. Raised beds are easier on your body, reducing bending and kneeling, making gardening accessible for all ages and abilities. Perfect for root crops like carrots and parsnips. Raised beds provide deep, loose, stone-free soil for healthy growth. The soil in raised beds warms up faster in spring, extending your growing season. Layer organic materials like compost and mulch to boost fertility and retain moisture. Raised beds keep your garden neat and organized, perfect for small spaces. Create a thriving, productive garden environment from day one with raised beds. Finally, container gardening. Grow anywhere, even without a garden. Use pots, tubs, or baskets on patios, balconies, or windowsills. Containers are mobile. Move them for sun, shelter, or to protect from frost. You control the soil mix for each plant. Great for fussy crops like blueberries. Large containers hold more moisture and nutrients, so go big when you can. Watering is key. Pots dry out fast, so check daily in summer. Grow salad leaves, herbs, tomatoes, or even potatoes in containers. It's a creative, flexible way to turn any space into a mini garden. So, three methods: no-dig beds, raised beds, and containers, each with unique strengths. I use all three together for a resilient, productive garden. Don't feel limited by space or style. Experiment and see what works for you. Try a small no-dig patch, a raised bed, or a few pots of herbs. Mix and match to suit your crops, climate, and lifestyle. The best garden is the one that brings you joy and good food. Thanks for joining me. Now go out and grow your way.